Welcome back to Cash and Coffee. Today, we're diving deep into real Binance user reviews. No fluff, no bias, just raw opinions from actual users around the world. Whether you're new to Binance or have been using it for years, this video will give you the honest insight you need in 2025. Crypto platforms promise a lot, but what really matters is what users are experiencing day to day. That's why we've analyzed hundreds of real reviews, from Reddit, Trustpilot, YouTube comments, and Twitter, to break it all down. Let's start with the positives. Here's what users love most about Binance. Low trading fees compared to other platforms. Huge range of coins, including small-cap gems. Binance Earn and staking features are great for passive income. The app is fast, responsive, and feature-packed. Security feels solid with 2FA, withdrawal whitelist, and anti-phishing code. Clearly, there's a lot to like, but it's not perfect. Binance serves two audiences, beginners and pros. Here's what both groups say. Beginners, it's overwhelming at first. The tutorials help. Binance Lite mode is a savior. Advanced users love the pro version. Margin and futures tools are powerful. Charting tools rival TradingView. One of the biggest questions is Binance safe? Most users feel secure thanks to features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, withdrawal address whitelisting, device and IP management, anti-phishing code. But users haven't forgotten past incidents like the 2019 hack, so trust is earned over time. Binance often markets itself as the lowest fee exchange. But do users agree? Here's what we found. Fees are lower than Coinbase and Kraken. Using BNB for discounts is a nice bonus. Zero-fee BTC trading helps save a lot. The Binance mobile app gets high praise, mostly. Smooth experience, great for trading on the go. Notifications are helpful. Too many updates sometimes break things. This one's controversial. Some users get help fast, others, not so much. Quotes, got help in 5 minutes. Still waiting for a reply after 4 days. The chatbot is useless. Host, if you run into a serious issue, expect some delays. Binance is working on it, but users want faster, more human responses. Some features just stand out across the board. Here's what users constantly praise. Binance Earn Launchpad and Launchpool P2P Trading Auto-Invest, DCA strategy. NFT Marketplace. Host, these features offer real value, especially for long-term holders and passive income seekers. Let's flip it. What do users want Binance to do better? Better customer support. More beginner education. Simpler layout in the mobile app. Faster withdrawals. More transparency in token listings, delistings. So, should you use Binance in 2025? Let's recap. Pros, low fees. Wide range of features. Advanced tools for traders, global accessibility. Cons, support delays. Overwhelming UI for beginners. Regulatory uncertainty in some regions. Host, if you can navigate the learning curve, Binance still offers one of the most complete crypto experiences out there. Here are some user-provided tips to make your Binance journey smoother. Start with small amounts. Always enable 2FA and address whitelist. Avoid FOMO trading on new coin listings. Use Binance Lite if you're new. That's a wrap on real Binance user reviews. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your crypto crew. Have you used Binance? Drop your own honest review in the comments. We'd love to feature you in our next update. On screen, subscribe, comment, like. New videos every week on crypto, investing, and personal finance.